Hi everyone, I'm Muzammil. Today I'm going to talk about the topic is the day when I felt that my cousin is very intelligent. Okay, I think the day when I felt that my cousin is a genius was the day when he first got his research work published. The story goes back in 2020 during COVID when I saw a post on Facebook where he posted that his first ever research work has gone published. Uh, his research work was about the safety feature of a car. The title was that how you can improve the safety feature of your autonomous vehicle. If I talk about the research work of his research work was the thing is that he created a software which will be installed on in your car, and obviously there will be a mobile version of it which will be installed on your phone. And if a sensor sense any unusual activity, or if someone is trying to break into the car, the sensor will send an SOS message to the owner, and obviously the horn of the car will start to blow, which will warn the owner and the other people around the car that someone is trying to break into the car. This was his research work which was got published on IJSCR public stream. If you can type on Google, you can see that post. And if I talk about the childhood, if I talk about his childhood, I would say he was a special child from the birth. He was the genius in our whole family. I think he was the second high score achiever in his matriculation. Also got selected for national anthem quiz competition. He's currently doing his PhD in Finland, and that's where he's living right now.